I'm coming.
Let's go, Chris. Let's go, Chris. Let's go.
Let's
You'll
go,
never
boy.
catch me.
Oh, we're coming for you, dog.
I don't.
Yeah.
I just had to blind the shit out of you.
Enemy units incoming.
Are you an
Don't
Ewok
be
with me?
fooled by their
Yeah, I see
appearance.
you way over there.
Just stay alive.
I'm gonna try to. Oh my
Help
god.
is on the way. Shouldn't be difficult.
Alright, so fucking, where's the line?
Stick together.
I almost got one. Fuck.
Oh my god, I got obliterated, bruh. What the fuck?
Yeah.
I didn't even get a chance to fucking. Like, I took way more shots last time.
Oh, I see. Hold on.
I killed one. Oh, Chris, I was with you, man. I was
I
trying.
almost got one.
I was trying, but I did get one, though.
66.
We got two people. So we got two more on our side.
Shuttle's entering our airspace.
I'm going with whoever this is. Yeah. They're blinding.
I killed another one. Oh, I almost killed him.
That one died.
All right, we got even two more on our side.
I think it's like crazy too.
Yeah, it is. It's a really good ability. Killed another one. Where you at, Timmy?
We'll never know.
Timmy, over here, Timmy! We're taking him out here!
Oh fuck, they burned the fuck out of me.
I did. Never catch me. All by myself.
Coming for your ass.
I'm all by myself. Yes, sir.
We're getting signals from the shuttle.
Oh my god!
He's with the group.
I know.
Oh shit! Come here, little bitch. Cheater. They're stuck McNasty. McNasty's in here now. Oh shit!
Make way to extraction.
the fuck? No! I was almost on too, but you did not kill me. Drubbish got me. Damn it, I was almost in that son of a bitch too. I didn't realize you had to wait. I was like trying to run up the ramp and it wouldn't let me go in. Damn it.
Oh, fuck, dude. Let's go again. Something else. Holy fuck, dude. Holy shit. Such a stupid fucking game. I got 5 people.